Hey everyone, for our 221st Colorado campground tour, we are at the House Creek Campground on the east side of McPhee Reservoir. Located west of Durango, just outside of Dolores, Colorado, McPhee Reservoir is the second largest lake in Colorado with 50 plus miles of shoreline. The House Creek Recreation Complex has a boat ramp and inspection station just off to our left. Cell service is a little spotty in the area and along the drive to the campground. The road to get here is paved all the way. Reservations are accepted for some of the campsites here at House Creek Campground. We're at House Creek Campground on the northeast side of McPhee Reservoir. Passing all the little yellow sunflowers. Site number 1 on the right. Looks like that could be the camp host. 28-day stay limit, $24 per night, $32 with electric. Double site is $62 per night. Premium site is $34. It's a really old camper. Site number 12 on the right. Site 13 is this little pull-off. A little bit of a view of one of the bays of the lake. 14 on the right. 15. It's this little one on the right side here. I wonder if this is an in and out. It looks like these are the premium sites for the best view of the lake. 22 left, double wide, enough room for a trailer. Is that 21? Yep, 21 left.
17 on the right.
20 is right in front of us with the boat. 20 would be my pick. Or 19. So we got 19 right here in front of us. Really nice. Looking at 18 with the Dodge truck. And the pop-up camper was 17. Looks like these all have electric. On the right we got 21 and 22 again. Two closest to the lake had roofs over the picnic tables. Get you a little shade from the sun up here. Elevation is 6923. creeper. I don't look like a creeper. 6 is going to be the Mercedes van. 11, 7 on our left. Oh wow. That looks like 8.
It's on the right.
Yep, 8's got all the cars here on the
9's
left.
on the right.
Hold on. It's bumpy. 9 in front of us.
No shade whatsoever around here.
Nope. 10 will be the red GMC truck. 7 on the right, followed by 6. And 11 was the Mastercraft fifth wheel on our left. Is there a restroom in that one?
I don't think so. It's restricted.
Yeah, I think it's. We gotta walk over to this other loop here, which is fine. Get some lake views on this one too. And I think this is the, yeah, this is the final one. So 4 is going to be the Bullet trailer. There's electric there. 3 is in front of us.
Right there too.
Yep, 3, and then 2.
Water right there between 1 and 2.
And 1 is the last one there on our right. Headed back towards the camp host.